Okay, for today's video is unboxing of this cleaning tools that you can use for cleaning or washing your cars and other, or maybe watering plants. So let's see what's inside. Let's see, please. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Okay, so this is how it looked like. So first, as you can see, you have here the manual, where the guide where you can use how you can use these products. So this is this, and this is the guide also, the booklet. Yes, you can use it.
Oh, glorious!
It has also different kinds of language you can use, and since I'm here in Germany, so I will be using the Betriebs and Leitung. I can understand this one, Betriebs and Leitung. So this is this, yes. This one, you can check it out. And this one. I'm very excited to use this because I will be using this for cleaning the car. So this is the tool. This is the pistol. The pistol. This is how it looks like. Yeah, very nice. It's heavy though, but for me it's really a good quality. A very good quality. Yeah, it's called GLORIA. And what about this one? What's that inside? This is the battery. So I don't know what is this, but I guess this is for the for the battery. I don't know what exactly is this for use. What's the use of this? But I'm sure this is for the battery. Okay, what are other parts? Can we take a look? Not a battery, no. So obviously this is the tip that you can. This is the how you can use this. This is the part that you can put at the tip of the pistol. So next. And this one is can you please open it? And this is the Schlauch in Germany. This is the Schlauch. How you say that in English? Schlauch is, what is English? Sag mal, übersetzen. Because I don't know what's in English. In Germany it's Schlauch. Schlauch. This is the hose. So in English hose, but in German Schlauch. So and then the other parts, please open, please. So these are also other parts for this. What about this one? Yeah, this one. Yes, you can put it at the tip of the pistol and the other here. So yes, that's my GLORIA. What's the name of this? GLORIA water pistol multi-jet system. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, guys. And if you want to know more about videos, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell button to get more updates and new videos. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for now. Hello guys, for another video. For today's video again, it's another unboxing from this MultiJet GLORIA. This is a part from the MultiJet Reinigung's pistolas that I have bought last time. So this is the part, and this actually this is also a very important part. So let's see what's inside, please. Okay, it's a sham set actually.
Foam.
For foam, no? For washing, for Reinigung, for cleaning. Mm. So let's see what's inside, how it look like. Oh, this is how it look like. Can I check? This is this. This is the parts from the GLORIA MultiJet. So, yeah, this is this, guys. Yeah. So now I can use my MultiJet Reinigung's auto cleaning. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you want to know more about videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notifications bell button to get more videos. Have a nice day. Thank you. Hello guys. Yes, now I will be showing you, for today's video, I will be showing you my MultiJet system from GLORIA. So this is the overall parts that I have gathered, and yeah, this is very useful for my for cleaning auto and some other cleaning tools for cleaning things that you wanted to clean. So yeah, I'm so happy that I have found this one. Yes. Yeah, I'm so happy, and this is a good quality product that I would want to recommend. Yes, it costs I can say that much, but it's really worth to buy. Yeah, because cleaning, acquiring tools for cleaning is for me very important, because you can use it every time, especially if you want to done it perfectly. So yeah, yes, I'm so happy. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. And if you want to know more about videos or more updates of my channel, in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications notifications button to get more videos. Ciao. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.